This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. Spatulas. In this video, we're talking about spatula sets. And before we get started, we want to say a big thanks to RedWoodBest for sending us these spatula sets. They were a gift from the manufacturer, and they come in 3 colors, and I've got 2 of them out already, the black and the kind of blue turquoise color, and I'm gonna unbox the red for you. So you can see it comes in a nice little cardboard box right there, and each of the different pieces comes in their own little plastic sleeve, and I'm just gonna get them out and talk about each piece as I go. And I like the colors. As you can see, they have this nice really dark black, also this beautiful teal, and then the red is kind of more of a maroon. And the first piece I pulled out is the small spatula. You can see they're all a single, like one-piece construction, which is great for items like this in the kitchen because it means when you're cleaning, it's going to be easier to clean. There's no separate head on the spatulas, so you can't get stuff up inside that little piece there because there is no piece. It's just all one seamless single piece. They're nice and reinforced, so they're strong. And you can see on the spatula heads, it has a nice little angled design and a really thin edge. So you have a curved side and also a straight kind of right angle there. So it's going to be great for cleaning out small pots and other things, getting along the edges, and also for using on small bowls when you're mixing. I'm just going to kind of move some of this stuff out of the way, just to give myself a little more space. So the second small piece we have is, oh, there we go, the silicone pastry brush, which is always a nice thing to have in the kitchen. So whether you're doing something like trying to baste your turkey or glaze a ham or anything else, especially with hot items that are in the oven, if you're trying to make sure they're coated and glazed well, having a silicone brush is going to be fantastic because it's made from a great food grade silicone that's going to be heat resistant. And this one is rated up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can use it on hot items, which is fantastic. These things also, you can put them in the fridge, the microwave, right, or use them out. So they're going to be really versatile tools. So it also comes with a large spatula as well, same design as the small one, just bigger for bigger tasks, right? And then also I think they call this one the jar spatula. But when I saw it, I automatically thought, that would actually be nice for icing things like brownies and cakes. So it has a nice slender design. It's nice and long. So for getting down into skinny items and cleaning them out, like if you want to get the last out of a jar of jam or anything like that, and it has a nice tapered end right there. So it's a good one. I could see this being kind of versatile. There's always that last little bit you can't get out of the jar. This is good for that, but also for spreading on items if you just want to do a quick job icing a cake or smoothing out the top of some brownies or something like that before you put them in the fridge. And then the last one, which is always really useful and I love, is the spoon spatula. So this is a little different than a regular spatula in that you can see it has kind of a curved bowl to it that's just kind of slightly curved. So if you're trying to scoop something that's a little bit loose, like say frosting or anything like that, these always come in handy for transferring larger amounts. One design feature that's nice is they all have the hole down at the end. So if you have hooks or anything like that in your kitchen, you can hang them up, say on a pegboard or something else like that, or on some hooks, so that they're hanging above, or you can do what we usually do, which is pop them down in a bain-marie or another jar or canister so that they're out and ready to grab in the kitchen. Overall, I'd say they're nice, sturdy spatulas, and we look forward to putting them to use in the kitchen, and we really dig the fun colors. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingSchool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.